Hello, my name's Nathan, and I'm here with Group 2. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is how we got our routers connected. So what we did is we opened up our router, and we went to the physical tab. And in the physical tab, we had to turn off the router, and then add this WIC-2T port to it. And once we added that, we could connect each of the routers by a DCE connection. We had to do this because each router only has 2 Ethernet ports, and so if we wanted to have a third connection to a router, we had to add another port to it. I'm going to hand it off to Helly, and she's going to talk about the commands that we used for subnetting.
Hi, this is Heli. On router 1, we have 2 fast Ethernet ports and each port connected to different switch. The first fast Ethernet port gets the IP address and the second fast Ethernet port gets the IP address. Both of these ports use the same subnet mask, and this subnet mask helps divide the network into small parts. Router 1 also has a serial port. The serial port is connected to the router 0. The serial port on router 1 has the IP address and it also uses the subnet mask. Router 1 connects to the two switch and one serial port. Is given an IP address so devices can communicate the same way we did it for router 2 and router 3, as you can see here. I'm gonna pass to Evie.
Hello, this is Evie. I'm going to ping from PC1 to PC3, which are in different subnets. And as you can see by pinging that, it lost 0 and it pinged it all. And just to verify the IP address for PC3, you can see it's 192.168.9.162. I am passing it off to Trishelle.
Hello, my name is Trishelle. I'll be going over WAN connectivity and how we got that all set up to make sure that it was all correctly set up for our assignment. Okay, and then just to show that we did that, we went to the router, we enable it, and then we do the command show IP routes. Oops. And then doing that, you can see that it is all set up because we can see everything connected to our router. And that just shows that we have it all set up correctly and our WAN connectivity is properly connected.
Perfect, that's all we have. Thank you.